Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to make round edge tables using HTML code and CSS. So in the new CSS with HTML5, there's a style property called border radius, but it doesn't work for tables. So a good way around this is to wrap the table in a div container. So let's go ahead and look at the HTML I have set up here. This is just a boilerplate HTML code with a table that I have set up with a bunch of data rows and columns. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this in a div container here, and I'll show you the styling that is done as well. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the style. I'm going to put a border radius of 1. I could just do this as pixels as well. I'm going to make this a border radius of, like, say 5 pixels, and I'll put a 2 pixel solid black or solid gray radius here, and I'll put a minimum width, and I'll put overflow as hidden so that if the table gets bigger, it won't go past the radius. It won't go past the border of the container div. And that's all you really need to give the appearance that your table has rounded edges. In actuality, it's the div that the table is being contained in that has rounded edges. I'm Omar, and I hope you found this video informative. Have a good day.